Hey everybody, it's Reviews More back with a quick, bigger review item for me. We recently had to purchase a washer and dryer, and this is from the brand LG. This was to replace a Sam's Club dryer that was on its last leg and a washer that completely just bit the dust on us. And luckily enough, Sam's had both the washer and the dryer for sale for less than $1,500 for the pair. So that's what we went with. We were actually hoping to go with a higher end brand. We're looking at Speed Queen, but considering we really wanted a front loader because my wife's short and didn't want to have to fall into a top loader anymore for the washer. The cheapest Speed Queen we could find was actually more than both of these put together. So for the time being, we're hoping these just last us for at least 10 years. And there you see all the PC parts of the washer. I think that's probably one of the coolest things about it is like the actual little tubs you fill up for the detergent are removable and washable, which means they don't get all gunked up and nasty, or at least they do get gunked up and nasty. You can clean them out. So this was on sale. So I think the current price is like $800 a piece. So you probably get them for like $1,600 plus tax. We got it for under $1,500 after tax. Really basic controls, lots of cool little features. This one has Wi-Fi. I might do a separate Wi-Fi demonstration video just because I think that's its own little separate thing. This video will be less of a full review and more of a sound test, so you guys understand just how noisy these things are. A big concern for a lot of folks is how noisy their washer and dryer might be. And these are pretty daggone quiet, all things considered. They're not super loud. You can hear them, but they're not. It's not abrasive, and the washer in particular, its wash cycle is very, very quiet. Even when it's on a spin cycle that can be very, very, very fast, it's still not super loud. So for the remainder of the video, you're going to see it basically running through a couple of wash cycles. You're going to hear the dryer first, how noisy that is. All dryers sound about the same no matter what you do, followed by the washer running through several cycles. And I'll try to timestamp this on YouTube so you don't have to worry about going to find it or anything. But overall, really satisfied with it. We've had it for just under a month, and I'll be doing follow-ups. But like all these products, once they go out, they're not really being sold much anymore. And as a result, I can't really give you an update until after they're no longer being sold out there. So thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button. It was really helpful to me, and have a great day.